All right, guys, we've got a customs declaration. We've got royal mail, and we got a picture of the Queen. I think we've got our first UK company. Stay tuned. Hey guys, Brian Haywood here. Welcome back to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel where we discuss tips and tricks for your beards. We do some product reviews and unboxings, and we have a beard advice series where you guys can send in your pictures and a little information to the email address you see below. I take a look at it for a couple weeks. You get featured in your own beard advice series video, so make sure you check that out if you haven't. And I knew I was getting an oil from, I think it's Grzzly Beard Company. I didn't realize that they are out of the UK. So this will be my first UK based company. So excited about that. I actually went to the UK last summer. This summer I had to paint the house, so no big trips for me this year. But I was talking to them and found out a little bit more about their company. And they've got a new release coming out, which is what I've got here. And they are pretty competitive with the prices, even shipping to the U.S. So it's $7.95 pounds, which is a little less than $10. That's the flat shipping fee for that. And then their beard oils are $14.99 pounds, which is a little less than $20. So pretty competitive there. And the more you buy, the more you'll save because of that flat rate. Shipping on that. So let's see what we have here. If I can get into this. So we've got a business card. Grzzly, it's G-R-Z-Z-L-Y. So there's no I in Grizzly. All right, so it's got their information on the back, which is cool. And this is looking interesting. Take a look at this. Never had a bottle that was kind of rose pink colored on that. So Grzzly Beard Oil. Our beard oil will ensure a healthy beard from root to tip. Created with natural ingredients, argan, jojoba, avocado, and vitamin E oils. Our blend is quickly absorbed product to promote beard growth and will help prevent beard drift and itchiness. This is candy shop, so I guess that's why it's that color. Shake before use, blah, blah, blah. Not tested on animals. Okay, so I'm already smelling something. It says Screwball Bubble, essential oils and fragrance oils. I'm guessing it's some sort of bubble gum flavored or something. So you got your basic dropper top. And the oil is still the regular colored oil. It is the bottle that's that pink color. And yeah, that's sweet. I like sweet scents. A little bit of bubble gum-ish. But then something else too. Put a few drops in here. Yeah, a little more bubble gum comes out. So if you like the bubble gum flavored, pink bubble gum, I guess that's why the thing's pink. That's what that smells like. So I'd be interested in checking this out. I've talked to a few guys in the U.S. who have really like using the UK companies. And this is the first one that I've tried, so I'm interested in checking that out. So that's their new release. It's called Screwball Bubble, essential oils from their candy shop kind of collection. So they've got other things to choose from. So check out Grzzly Beard on Instagram, and you can look at their shop and see what kind of other things they've got. So they've got, from what I saw, it was about 8 different types of oils or so, if I'm remembering correctly, and then they've got balms and some other things. All right, so check that out. We'll be doing a follow-up review on this after I try it out in the beard. All right, as always, thanks for watching, guys.